Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky. So in this video, as by the title you all know, that I'm going to unbox this wall mount dressing mirror which has a jewelry cabinet in it. Yeah, I have bought this a couple of days ago from like Kogan. So Kogan is a online website. It has lots of amazing awesome products, and yeah, I bought couple of things from Kogan already, and they are for my girls bedroom, and also I got some workout equipment, and I'm going to like make my workout station in the garage. So I'm going to just like clear up some stuffs from the garage. I'm going to do it with you all, and I'm going to make a separate video in couple of days, because like today is Saturday I'm filming, and today is 23rd of January. So yeah, this video will be up on Monday, I think. So I am going to film like today, tomorrow, and also on Monday. So I'm going to do my girls room makeover. I'm going to make their bed, and whatever I'm going to do, I'm going to share. Like it won't be completed, but like whatever I bought, I'm going to make that, and I'm going to like take out all their old beds and other stuffs which I have to throw, because literally they're growing fast. So yeah, I have bought them a bunk bed. Like literally I wanted to buy them a queen bed, so that they can share, but like they don't want that. They literally want a bunk bed, so I bought it. I don't know how it will be, but my husband has to be here, and like literally I can't wait to open this. Yay, let's open. So it's a big box, as you can see. It's a big one. Yeah. Okay, this is how it is. It's quite big, as you can see. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is 120 centimeter wall mount dressing mirror. So this is in the color white and one piece. Literally there is not much space in this room. So let's open. as you can see, it looks like this, quite nice. I like it. I think it's good, but I think I have to read the instruction thingy so that I will know about it. So at the back, you can see there is 4 holes. I think the screw will go in here. I've got no idea about it, just because I don't like making these stuffs. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks. It has a small mirror too here, which is awesome. I didn't know about it, that it has a small mirror, and this is how it looks like. Literally, it's pretty. You can put all your earrings here, your necklaces here. There is like 2 section for the necklace, and it has quite a lot of things in here which I have to attach, I think. Okay, it comes in this box, all the screws, and okay, it goes over the door, which is awesome. That's what I saw before buying, because I don't want to mount on the wall. I wanted it over the door. I have a mirror here which goes over the door, so I will put this like in this door here, my walk-in closet door. So I'm going to open this and let's see what is inside this. I've got so many like necklaces, earrings, but I don't have a proper place to put them all. I wanted a cabinet like this which has a mirror, and also it goes over the door, and also like it can stand. I didn't even know about it, that like it will stand like this by itself without doing anything. Like, it's awesome. I think it also has some of the storage things. Oh, okay. This is how it looks. Okay, this is the over the door, what you call, handle. I've got no idea which goes like here. No, here I think, like this, if you can. Okay, it will go over like this. I think got 1 and 2 of these. There is not much stuffs in here, and also this storage containers, like, looks very soft kind of thing, and this will go on this. Wow. And we have 3. All 3 goes here. It's so easy to attach, and also some screws here. This is it. And also like this strap thingy. I don't know what this strap thingy is for. If you want to do like wall mount, you follow this. If you want to do like over the door, you follow this. So I'm going to do over the door, and this is how you should be doing. Okay, we have all this thing, and this is the little handle knob doorknob. So this is what will go in here. I'm going to hang it on this door. So let's see. So funny knot. Okay, it's quite tight. I've got no idea now.
Imagine push forwards. Push.
Okay.
Why is it?
I think I have to move it more to this side. Yeah, more to this side, I think. Yay. Right. Have to hold one side while opening. But it's quite nice. Okay, that's how much it can open. Like this. I literally like it. Do you like it, Isha?
Yeah, I do.
So now we are going to set everything up. Okay, so I have filled it up with some jewelries. So I'm going to just show you all whatever we have put inside. So first let me just take out this
Just leave it on that.
plastic. So satisfying. Aww. Okay. Okay, so let's open. Gosh. Okay, so this is how it looks. Just love it, and like we just filled it up with some jewelries, like some fashion jewelries. They are not real. The earrings goes inside this attachment really well. So these are all the fashion jewelries. Not all, like I've got some more which I'm going to put it later in here. Also, I've put my fashion rings here. There are some. I have to find more, then I will like put it in here later. So there is lots of space here, as you can see. It's tiny holes. There are lots in here, and also it has a mirror, as you can see. Okay, so this is how over the door mirror cabinet looks. This can be wall mounted too. So yeah, you can mount it on the wall, and it comes with all the screws and everything. And also you will need a screwdriver. I showed you earlier, the star one. And it's literally very easy to do it. As you saw, I did it myself, and like it comes all like this. You only have to attach this thing which goes over the door, that's it. And also this handle, you can just check it out on the website. I will link the product and their website details below in the description box if you want to check it out. Like I think this type of over the door like dresser mirror cabinet looks really nice. You'll have two mirrors and also a place to store all your jewelries, like long ones, especially the necklace. Like literally I am so happy that I have something like this. Like I wanted to buy since so long. So once I saw in one of the warehouse, but literally it wasn't the one I wanted it, because like it was uh like a standing one, and I wanted something like this which goes over the door. So like literally I have got quite a lot of mirrors in this room now, and I literally like it. Like every girl should have one of these in their rooms. Like literally it's awesome, like awesome. And like Kogan's delivery is so good. Like it comes within 2 to 3 days, like depends on like where you live. I live in Gold Coast, and so yeah, I'm going to end this video here. If you want to see more of these types of videos, then do subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. And yeah, I'm literally so excited to make other stuffs, and I think I'm going to make some other cabinets now. So like for my girls room, I think, but I will need my son's help. So you all take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.